In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open large Excel files in Google Sheets. If your massive Excel file keeps freezing your browser or refuses to open when you drag and drop it into Drive, there's a better way. The trick is to let Google handle the heavy lifting through its import workflow, rather than trying to preview and convert the file all at once. Start by opening a blank Google Sheet. Don't double-click the Excel file in Drive and don't use the quick preview. With the blank sheet open, go to File, select Import, and then upload your Excel file. This route gives Google a dedicated lane to process the data, convert formats, and apply structure without the overhead of rendering a preview first. It's simply more reliable for very large data sets and reduces the chance of a browser crash. After the upload, you'll see an Import Options menu. Choose Replace Spreadsheet. Because you started with a blank sheet, this option wipes the empty canvas and drops your Excel data in cleanly. It's much more stable for big files than opening the Excel as a preview or trying to merge it into an existing sheet. And don't worry, this doesn't change your original Excel file in Drive. You're creating a Google Sheets version that lives separately while the original stays intact. One important limit to keep in mind is that Google Sheets supports up to 10 million cells per file. A cell is any single box in the grid, so you can estimate your size by multiplying rows by columns across all tabs. If your Excel file exceeds that limit, split it into 2 Excel files before importing. Many people divide by year, region, or sheet groups, whatever keeps each new file under the cap. Once you bring each part in separately, you'll find the sheets load faster and respond more smoothly. When the import finishes, you can work on your data anywhere with autosave, version history, and easy sharing already built in. If performance still feels sluggish, try closing other heavy browser tabs while the initial import completes, and give Google a moment to finish indexing the sheet before scrolling or filtering through the entire data set. That's it. The fastest, most stable way to get large Excel files into Google Sheets without crashing your browser. If this helped, hit that follow button for more Google Sheets tips and practical workflows to keep your data projects running smoothly.